Hello guys, welcome to The Expert. In this video I will show you how to set up the analog dual time manually on a Citizen EcoDrive radio control watch with manual number caliber H820. First step is to pull the crown to position 1. The second hand will rotate to the current city and time zone that the analog hands are set to. For example, now it's set to London. Rotate the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to your desired or your current time zone. For me right now, I will rotate to Dubai, which is matching my time zone. Wait for the hands to stop moving completely. Press the top right button to put the daylight saving time on or off depending on your city. Press and hold the top right button for 3 seconds until the second hand moves to the 6 mark. Then pull the crown to the second position. Rotate the crown to select your current time. Remember to check the 12 or 24-hour dial hand to make sure you select the correct time of the day. From midnight to noon, the hand should be on the right side of the dial and vice versa. Press the top right button and now again rotate the crown to choose the date. Press the top right button again and now rotate the crown to choose the day of the week. Press the top right button again. Now it's time to select the correct month and year. It gets a little bit tricky here, so let me explain quickly. As you rotate the crown, when the second hand is between 12 and 1 mark, the month is December. Between 1 and 2 is January. Between 2 and 3 is February, and so on. So for September, you have to move the second hand between 9 and 10. For October, between 10 and 11, and so on. At the same time, you will have to choose the correct year. Refer to the chart below. For example, for 2019, it says 3rd minute marker. So if it's December 2019, December is between 12 and 1. December 2019 will be on the 3rd marker, means 3 minutes. For February is between 2 and 3. So February 2019 will be on 2 is 10 minutes, 11, 12, 13 minutes. So the second hand has to point 13 minutes. If you have a question about this, anytime drop a comment below and I will tell you exactly where to face the second hand. Once you are done, put the crown back to the 0 position. To select a different time zone for the secondary dual time dial, pull the crown to position 1 and press the bottom right button once. Now you can rotate the crown to face which time zone you want the secondary time to say. For example, now I put to London, the secondary time will show London, and then put the crown back to position 0. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.